Neville Goddard, The Telephone Technique. Neville talks about the telephone technique in his lecture, Test Yourselves. He insists that the telephone technique is infallible and gives great results to manifest your desire. The telephone technique is a revision technique. I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out. He actually analyzes one phrase from the Gospel of Mark. The time is fulfilled and the kingdom of heaven is at hand. Repent and believe in the gospel. And explains that the word repent means a radical change of thinking or behavior of something you dislike or want to change. And this is exactly the whole point of this technique. You revise reality and transform it to your desire. Neville does the telephone technique like that. While receiving a phone call and hearing bad news, he completely ignores the bad or negative news he hears. He revises the entire conversation immediately as he listens to it, and imagines only the desired outcome. He doesn't wait a single moment to revise the bad news. He doesn't wait until nighttime or imagine while falling asleep, for example, the state akin to sleep. I will leave a link in the description. He changes it with his imagination and revises it to bring the desire he wants. He actually listens to the person on the phone saying they have obtained their desire. And by that, I mean that you imagine that you are actually listening to the person on the phone telling you that they have their desire. You imagine so vividly that you actually hear it. While on the phone, don't be sucked in the person's bad news and complaints. Just love them, but ignore the bad news completely. You choose what you will to enter, so don't let their negativity bring you down, because you can change all that with your imagination. After the end of the conversation, and when they are done with their complaining, while still remembering clearly how their voice sounds like, change their words and feel the joy. Use your imagination and vividly imagine their voice changing and becoming joyful, telling you the good news, the desire fulfilled. And this is the telephone technique, a technique based on revision, simple and effective. This telephone technique can be used by you and also for other people that you care about. Also, let me give you a hint for this technique. If you're having trouble doing this technique for yourself, you can try imaginary phone conversation with someone, for example, your friends or family, etc., congratulating you for your success. And that was the end of our video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you like it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.